everyone, welcome back to Shatin thok nath or Nuer. Today we are going to learn these present tense sentences using he, she, and it with is, does, and has. Okay, do not forget this one. He, it, he, she, it with is, does, and has. Gwasme bana rwache ke kuidol nyal kene micha ngech ke ke te ke la ke gente taken kadek when we are speaking English or when we are making a sentence, a present sentence using he, she, it with is, does, and has. Okay, taken ke cheng to goal to nanka ke gwasame kena konen gorno ba nywaka yakajan gwasame. If you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe or follow my YouTube channel or my Facebook page. We are going to talk about is first, okay? Using is. Is in thok nath a, okay? Number one, he is very tall. He is very tall. He is very tall. Jen bara along. He is very tall. Jen bara along. He is very tall. Jen bara along. He mean dull or wood. We are going to talk about he, she, it later on this topic. But first, let's simply translate what is written in English, and we are going to translate it into thok nath. He is very tall. Jen bara along. Tall bara along mean very. He is very tall. Jen bara along. She is a teacher. Jen engich. Who is a teacher? Anga shekamo nyamo. She's a teacher. Jen engich. She's a teacher. Jen engich. Nyamo engich. Jen engich. Okay. It is a sunny day. A cheng chang. Jen a cheng chang. Sunny a cheng michelab. Day a cheng. Jen a cheng chang. It is a sunny day. Using does. Does. We talk about using is. Now here we're going to talk about does. Does mean la. La. Remember it. La. Is a. Using does or does mean la. Ludene la ka thok nath. La. Okay, wana ka dobri entity. He does his homework every evening. Jen la latching a ladder ka thok tiang nishang. Thok tiang mean evening. Nichang means every. He does his homework every evening. Jen la latching a ladder ka thok tiang nishang. Jen la latching a ladder ka thok tiang nishang. He does his homework every evening. Jen la latching a ladder ka thok tiang nishang. Number 5. She does run in the morning. She does run in the morning. Jen la ure kerunwang in thok nath. Jen la ure kerunwang. You can also say Jen la ringe kerunwang. She, Jen, does la run ure in the morning kerunwang. Jen la ure kerunwang or Jen la ringe kerunwang in thok nath. She does run in the morning. Jen la ure kerunwang. Number 6. It does not make sense. It does not make sense. Jen telejalot. Jen telejalot. It does not make sense. Telejalot not make sense. Sen lot. It does not make sense. Jen telejalot. Mitala do lot dong mishalat mitalot bilar no jen telejalot. Telemolode. It does not make sense. It does not make any sense. Jen telemolode. Ke jen telejalot. It does not make sense. Meladeno telejalot. Telelot. It does not make sense. Jen telejalot. Using as. We're done with das, which is la. Okay. Now we are using as. Using as te. Mitekaran te. Number 7. He has a new car. Jen take a turbil mijidit. Jen take a turbil. He has a car or he has a new car. Jen take a turbil. As mean te. Jen. A new car. Ke turbil. He has a new car. Jen take a turbil mijidit. Car turbil. As te. Jen. He has a new car. Jen take a turbil. Number 8. She has a beautiful smile. She has a beautiful smile. Jen take her doors to go along. She has a beautiful smile. Jen take her doors to go along. Or you can simply say Jen take her door to go. Jen take her doors to go. She has a beautiful smile. We are talking about has. Number 9. It has a sharp edge. Sharp edge. It has a sharp edge. It has a sharp edge. Jen mut geka. Jen mus gegde. Sharp a mimut. Edge a geg dwarka. Geg. Chet kongom. Kiena dwara tike geg o mumode. Kiena geg dwarka chale edge. It has a sharp edge. Jen mut gegde. Number 10 to 12. We are going to talk about the meaning of he, she, and it. This is very important. He mean dol in thok nath. You can say dolamo, utamo. Okay? That's the meaning of he. He mean dol. You can say dolamo, utamo. Okay? She indicate that nyal, nyamo, shekamo, and so. It is something mirach kemikweke. They lar nyamo, dolamo, woodamo, shekamo, raja kemikweke a manishodien. When you see he and she and it, know that these are singular pronouns. Singular pronouns. They are things to write kakel, shekaro. Muraikon katishal ke plural pronouns. Jana bana kulo kamishal I, we, you, they. Kana tukokian. But guas muraikon kamishal ke singular pronoun ka present tense. He, she, it akan the main kajan raj kontina. Ba kwen ka kel ko goro jano ba shublo do gwa. Jin mishe kwen ke she rodu ngich. Tara duom de ngai kajan. When you don't practice, there's no way for you to learn something. Practice make you better. If you could practice once a day or twice a day, that will make you learn this. You can learn this both language, English and thok nath or Nuer language. So you have to understand the present tense. La marach ka kwan me tiak tiak. Chet ke is machine na ngulo damo. Da sangulo damo. A sangulo damo. Okay, kantin kono nong. Let's read again. He is very tall. Jan better. Nya dolo mo better. Let me put it this way, because we already understand how he, she, it work here. He is very tall. He nyal wood kia dol is very tall. Wood mo better long. She is a teacher. Nya mo engich. It is a Sunday, and wale chang chang. He does his homework every evening. Dolo mo la lat ching leda katok tiang ni shang. She does run in the morning. Nya mo la ura korun wang. It does not make sense. Gentle jalot. You don't know. Me nyal ki wood ki she ki dol. You just simply say gentle jalot, because tele raja ka mich raj michangach. Okay, using as jen me metakaran as michawe jen take a young, take a del, take a walk, take a lock, take to be take no more raja ka as metakaran. You know, he has a new car. Jen take a turbil. He banaje replaced with children. E raja ka kui nyal ki raja ka kui wood ka ki dol. So don't forget that. He dol mo take a turbil. Shul take a turbil. Two take a turbil. She has a beautiful smile. Remember she. Let replace she with the name of a female. Nyalwak take a door to go along. Nyayual take a door to go along. Nyepuka take a door to go along. And so on. Number 9. It has a sharp edge. Jen must gig there. Let's replace it with something. Chetka ngom. Ngom must gig there. Any door me de nang ka je ke it bishwa nang chetka me to ngom chetka dong de we. Table has a sharp edge. Table chetka tarbit ke any door de lar mud gig there. Madong muda. I raja ka kuidol dolamo wudamo awa. She raja ka kui nyal nyamo shegamo awa. It raja ka michangach. Da nyal dera dol. No dera jat dera lay and a door binangkang binangke it. I ke she ke it bikangach. Men joga gore be understand guasame. La das guasame. Okay, previous lesson we talk about das, the presence of das and when there's no das. Murai kon ko ke das like mitala das guasame katok English. La tela lo chalele je. He done okay, he did his homework, that will be a pass, you know. But when there's no das here, la teleje, okay, la teleje be homework semene da take s, okay, ko da take s kon la no. The same thing gwa mecha wina gwa menino, she runs in the morning. La mitele das gwa me ba raname ba je moske s gwa semene be ngaji na mo form la dan and yoske ke English. It does not make sense. So kote das gwas mentama. So sense me chede take as mitale das gwas and they as there ten gwas make senses. No we go to no be formula ti bika ngache ko be toko me be ja practice ni chang. Mishi practice, you are not learning anything. So break it and tolija, you know. So be manda the tin be ngache. Man go re bikan ka jele saname o bi ta dan en kwa sentence kwa construct je ki do brien ta dan la de ka she kon right commercial ke is he, she ke it. Again the main point was make a singular pronoun ki ten right ki do brien right ka kel ki karam kel. No ban nyo je ke listen do dien gorno bi nyane de kokien, and do not forget to subscribe, keep follow up. And bye bye.